Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Brendan P. Brendan, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a Corona. It's a 4 gigabyte console. It was sent in like this all disassembled and stuff, and I actually almost didn't find this in the bottom of your little box here to do your LEDs up for you. I actually have another E-Series in for service, and I used its faceplate to turn this guy on and off during the mod. So anyway, we went ahead and RGH'd it using the Ace V3, or excuse me, the Matrix V1 using the Muffin CR4 install. You can see we did the white LEDs. Just as soon as we get a successful boot, the exterior ring out here, just like that, is going to light up, indicating we've got our successful boot. And we're going to see the console boot directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash are all pre-installed as well. Feel free to check out the backup disk that's inside this paper sleeve on the console. That's got some good files and original copies of your NAND and that sort of stuff. So we'll go ahead and get this thing packed up and head it out your way today. Thank you very much.